Before we proceed, please note that while AI is used to create this video, all information is manually researched by our team, and it is not AI generated. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Fortnite Battle Royale Error Code 29. The error reads, "Couldn't start the game. We are sorry. We had a problem starting your game. Please help us by reporting the issue." As per our research, the error comes when players try to launch the game. During our research, we were unable to find any exact reasons for the error, but were able to find a few workarounds that may help with the issue. To deal with the issue first, we suggest you to restart your gaming device and then see if you need to update Fortnite. If there are any pending updates, make sure to install them and check for the error. If the game is up to date, but the error is still coming, then check the update for drivers. Update the drivers who needs to be updated and check for the error. If the error still persists, then consider uninstalling and reinstalling the anti-cheat. For some players, doing so resolved the issue, so this may also help you. If you still see the error after reinstalling the anti-cheat, then you should consider uninstalling Fortnite and then reinstalling it. Once it is reinstalled, try launching the game to check for the error. If you tried all this but still received the error, then there is one last thing to try. Many users have shared that they didn't receive the error upon factory resetting their computer, so you can also try the same. But we want to caution you that factory resetting your device will erase all the data from your device. So make sure to take backup of all the data before factory resetting. In case you are not very confident with this process, then we suggest skipping this workaround. Thank you so much. This is all we have for this error. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit quarries.com.